Welcome to Deb's Villa Cucina. And one of the things that I do is I convert recipes is the lemon caper chicken. So what I've done already here to make it gluten-free is I just took chicken breast. It is gluten-free. Typically it's rice. Now watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stick these are 2 breasts and I cut them in half. Take a 1/4 cup of wine, that's all. Put it in the bottom. And I'm going to collect all the flavor from the bottom. A 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Remember, this is dairy free as well. I'm going to add Earth Balance. It's a butter. Oh, it smells so good. You can see the cream sauce. I'm going to put about a tablespoon and a half or 2 of capers. A gluten-free, dairy-free conversion, easy to do.